Putting a sign now in front of your storage facility just ain't going to cut it anymore. All right? It just doesn't work. When somebody looks for a storage unit, all they do is just go on their phone and write storage near me. Whatever pops up is what it is. Actually, if you buy the dill analyzer, if you go to my website and then you just click on the dill analyzer, there is a checklist. It's called the onboarding checklist inside the dill analyzer. And I think there's like 50 things in there that you need to do before closing. And so that's kind of where I'm getting the thoughts of like what we need to do for onboarding. But the main thing, oh yeah, that's what I was going to say. Number 7 is your website. And the way that you market online. If you're not marketing online, then you're not going to be like a competition. You're not competition to me if you're not marketing online. Because I'm marketing online. Everybody, all the big wigs are marketing online. If you're not doing this, then you're just missing out on opportunity. So you need a website. Now, the software company that you pick typically provides a website. So then you have to choose is, do I want to go with them and just use their website, or do I want to create my own website or hire somebody to do this or whatever it is? And there's all different kinds of aspects out there. And just ask them what the price is. The only thing that I don't like is like if you go with the website of the software company, then that means that your website looks like everybody else's website. Now you may look at the website and it looks different because your facility's there, your units are there, your pictures are there. But the way that Google works is that your website is typically a template. And then they see all these different software, so storage facility templates there, and then they just say like, oh, it's all just like a bunch of BS. Okay, so it's harder to rank when you use a website from a property management software company, unless you are very good at doing like Google ads and like maybe backlinks and SEO and stuff like this, because that is really how you're going to play the game. So again, I'm writing Google ads. I'm writing SpareFoot. And I'm writing like SEO. These are the 3 things that you have to be focusing on when you got to decide, how am I going to market to get tenants? How am I going to, putting a sign now in front of your storage facility just ain't going to cut it anymore. All right. It just doesn't work. When somebody looks for a storage unit, all they do is just go on their phone and write storage near me. Whatever pops up is what it is. So you need to make sure that you're on Google Maps and Apple Maps. Right, because Apple Maps is really pushing to be as big as Google Maps is, and they have a whole process on getting on Apple Maps as well too. So you have to be doing Google Ads, Facebook's, SpareFoot, SEO, Google Maps, Apple Maps, maybe some Facebook marketing. Now, whatever market that you're in, it really depends on what market. If you're a primary market, you need to be doing all of it plus. Right? If you're a secondary market, you should be doing all of it. If you're tertiary, maybe not some of this stuff, but the more you can do, the better, right? And so this is what you have to think about. It's like, how am I going to market for tenants? And then you have to make sure that when you're doing your demos with your softwares, this is a question that you ask. It's like, what about your website? How does the online marketing work? Do you guys do anything for this? And you have to really think ahead, think like over the next year to 2 years, how are you going to get tenants? And you have to plan this out in the onboarding phase. Start thinking about what you're going to be doing and planning this out. Okay. That's the first seven things that you should be doing to onboard your facility as soon as you get a facility under contract. Now, there's a list of like 50 things that you have to do, but in the deal analyzer, right? But I at least gave you the first 7. Okay, so you've got demoing your software. I didn't know what that's at. Yeah. Demo your property management software. Okay. You've got answering phones. Who's going to do that? Who's going to be your boots on the ground person? Who get your contract ready? And make sure you're working the onboarding process of your software, and you're working on your insurances and getting them going, and then your website, your online marketing, and what you're going to be doing for that. Okay, so that is the onboarding process. Hey everybody, this is Stacy here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am here to teach you how to get your foot into this industry. You're watching this video because you want to learn how to get started in self-storage investing, or maybe you own facilities and you want to be a better manager, a better owner. That is what I do, is I teach people how to do that. So please like this video and also subscribe, hit the subscribe button, because that's what YouTube wants. So in order for me to get out the word on how to get started in this industry, I really need your help. Again, I appreciate you listening to me, and I'm here to help you on this journey, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.